Hi, this is Trika of Trika Plants. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have a haul for you. My Simply Gilded box came today, so I wanted to share it with you guys. I already got it pre-opened because I'm using one hand again, and you know it's a struggle when you're using this one hand. So the box come with, this is the January box, the Good Luck Charm. It come with a foiled journaling card, washi tapes, foiled pocket TN insert, rainbow sticky note, ombre canvas pouch, charm seals, a set of deluxe pins, sweet nail decals, luxe sticker sheet, and a charm keychain. So, first up, look at this. These are sticky notes. These are so dang on cute. I don't even know if you can even write on these. I just might randomly use this as decoration somewhere. Okay, and here go the enamel pins. Oh my God, isn't that cute? And look at that boba. Boba. And here go the nail decals. I need to get my nails done in the worst way. I just got off work. I didn't lotion my hands because I was washing hair and stuff all day. And I'm tired, but I still wanted to do this unboxing. And I'm going to I think I'm getting my nails done in the next day or so. So I might surprise you guys and put a little bow on it or something. And here is the foiled TN insert. This should go in my pocket TN really nicely. That's nice. That's cute. Let's see what else we have here. Okay. And look at these little stickers. And look at the paw print. That is so cute. I have a little puppy. And the journaling card says Lucky and Simply Gilded. Okay. Let's see. What else I have in here? Okay. And here go the stickers. Look at that. Look at that. They're so cute. And those are some good stickers. They seem like they're a little cardstock or something, but I don't know. They're the thickers instead of stickers. I think they're the thick kind. Anyway, look at the keychain. So I'm gonna see. I may take these apart because I want that bow and I want the boba. So I might take those two off and put it on my tin. I have a little white tin that I'm about to set up. Oh, then again, I might take, we'll see. I'll keep you guys posted. And on to the goodies. The washi tape. Okay. Now, I don't know about you guys, but this here, this is all I need right here. This pink and white with the gold bows is like bomb. Okay? Then we have the boba. The different color bobas on the pink. Then we have, oh, this is cute. This is the other washi with all the lucky little stuff in it. And then we have this one. It says, I'm trying to get it together, focus, feeling lucky. That's cute. And I have the skinny ones too. I did an add-on to my box because I love the skinny washi with the type of planner that I use. I want to be able to put these little skinny washis over my little lines when I don't feel like seeing them. So I think that is super duper cute. And this simply go, here go the pouch. Now, you can put your little planner supplies in here. You can put your makeup in here, your lip gloss. I have a bag that this match. So I will be putting this in my little unicorn bag. So, I mean, the possibilities are endless with this stuff. So you just have to be creative. Get your creativity on. So that's my Simply Gilded haul, you guys. Please hit the like and subscribe button. Come join my little family. My voice is coming back. It is trying to get back right. You know, I've been sick, so you guys bear with me. And thank you so much for watching. Remember, hit that thumbs up button. Hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you in my next video. I will be doing some plan with me's, hopefully. I'm trying to get it together. Got a few things coming in still, but thank you guys for watching. Be blessed. Have a good day or night or evening, whatever you want to call it. Bye.